Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Gemini while signed into your Google account. This gives access to voice controls tied to your profile. Once done, confirm your device volume and microphone permissions so previews play correctly. Next, go directly to Settings and tap Voice or Avatar. This is where the sound options live. Do this now. It avoids wasted clicks later and ensures Gemini applies changes to the active session, not an inactive profile, which can cause silent previews. You now select a bass voice, neutral, conversational, or expressive, because the bass determines naturalness and default prosody. Then change pitch and speed using the sliders. After each tweak, press preview to hear the effect. Make smaller increments like 0, 1, 0, 2 steps so you can compare. If available, choose language and regional variants to match accent and pronunciation. Also, enable any advanced controls for breathiness or emphasis. These refine clarity. Save your configuration, then test with short prompts and longer passages so you judge pacing across durations. Make sure to test on both app and web because behavior can differ. If settings don't stick, clear cache or relaunch the app. If you attempted a custom voice upload, confirm consent and file format first. One key troubleshooting tip. If sound fails, reset the voice to default, confirm browser audio permissions, and try a different browser. This resolves most permission and caching conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.